Good morning, students. I'm your teacher, Simiran from Kerala Public School, Kamaria. Today, I'm here to teach you sound of letter E. So, let's begin our class with sound of letter E. A. With the song
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this,
So now, let's proceed with the story. Some children are staying on a farm. In the morning, they fed the hens and collect the eggs for breakfast. They take the eggs back to the kitchen and give them to the farmer's wife. She cracks the egg open on the side of a pan, saying, "Air, air, air." Have you all enjoyed it? Now I will make you do action of air, air, air. Parents, please guide your kids while doing this action. The children pretend to hold an egg in one hand and tap it against a pan, saying air, air, air. Then they use both hands to open the imaginary egg cell and say air. Now I'm going to teach you all how to write letter E.
Start within middle two lines, making a small slipping line and around that slipping line into a curve. Now let's do it once again. Make a slipping line and make a curve. Make a slipping line and make a curve.
Repeat the formation of letter E in your notebook and practice writing it. Now, let's do a short exercise related to the sound of letter A.
Which of these words does not contain the A sound? The first picture is cake. Second picture is apple. Third picture is eye. And the fourth picture is egg. The third and fourth picture contain the sound A. And first and second picture does not contain the sound A. Now it's time to revise. We will learn some words of sound of letter E. Let's start with the first word. Egg. Ear. Elevator. Eye. Eraser.
Watch the video again and learn the sound of letter E. Practice writing the letter in your notebook. Till then, take care of yourself, eat healthy food, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.